In this tutorial, we'll show you how to add assets and schedules to an existing contract. You'll learn how to update a contract after it has been created, add additional assets, and set up the schedules that control when each asset should be serviced. To get started, navigate to the Contracts section in the left-hand menu. From here, you can view and manage your existing service contracts. Search for the contract you want to update, then click into it to open the contract detail page. You can add an asset manually, or if you already use ServiceMate assets, you can pull them into PPM using this menu here. For this tutorial, we'll add one manually. Give the asset a name and select the asset type. The remaining fields are optional, but the service duration is especially useful as it feeds into other areas of the system. Once the details are entered, click Create Asset. Once the asset has been added, we can move on to schedules. From here, you can create a new schedule to control when the asset should be serviced. A single schedule can be used to service one asset or multiple assets at the same time. For this example, we'll include both assets on this schedule. We can also use one of our schedule templates to save time and pre-fill the main schedule details. Next, choose the date you want this service schedule to begin. This will be used as the starting point for generating future scheduled visits. Next, set when the asset needs to be serviced. For this example, we'll set the schedule to repeat every 1 year. Once everything looks right, click Create Schedule to finalize the new service schedule. Click the Schedules tab to view all of the service schedules linked to this contract. We can now see both schedules linked to this contract. One schedule covers both assets, while the other schedule is just for the emergency lighting. You can also see the next service date for each schedule, making it easy to check what is due and when. That brings us to the end of this tutorial. We've covered how to add additional assets to an existing contract, create service schedules, and assign the correct assets to each schedule. You can review the Schedules tab at any time to check the next service dates and confirm which assets are included. From here, you can continue managing the contract by editing or deleting schedules as needed.